welcome to my home. Come on in. This is a typical day in my life. I wake up about 6:30 or 7 every morning, and it all starts in the bathroom. Let's go. So I always like to put a little pink on my lids. I think it brightens up the face, and it has a really youthful glow. This is what I start with every single day. My favorite is called Desire. Just a little dab with a nice big fluffy brush. Then I use my golden highlighter, which is more of a glistening effect, not such a mirror effect or highlighter like where it's too white. It just makes your skin look wet and glistening. And that's all I do. I don't really wear foundation because it's too much work. Unless I'm going to an event, I'll use a little bit of the bronzer, Stellar, just to create a little bit of definition. Then I use my cream blush, Peachy. Normally, that's my favorite go-to, just quick. These are all super easy, apply so quickly, easily, and that's it. I've got color. I'm alive. I've come alive. I'm awake. I do use a lip liner. I'm like Speedy Gonzalez when it comes to putting makeup on. But everything has to be creamy, everything has to feel good, and then Radiate is my go-to. And it just brightens up the face because it's a nice light color. It's like getting highlights in your hair, it's highlights for your face. And then I go have my coffee. So I am a big believer of hot water early in the morning and alkaline water every morning right before my coffee. So this is my alkaline machine, which I'm obsessed with. Hot water, all kinds of water. And then my little espresso machine, which I have to have every morning. And I love it. And walnut milk. I won't drink almond milk, but walnut milk is so good for you and it's delicious. It makes all the difference in the world. After I get my coffee, I go outside for a little quiet time just to realize how grateful I am and what I need to do during the day today. So we're off to the office, and of course I pick up some green juice. Celery juice is a must every day. I think beauty comes from within, and what we eat makes a big difference on how our skin glows and stays young. So I do a lot of greens during the day: spinach, parsley, cilantro, lemon. Lemon's super important. And celery juice. So I pick that up, take that with me, and Pilates is a big part of my day, and so is yoga. But first, I gotta get some work done. So I'm working on my next collection right now, which happens to be more sheer, more colorful, a little more of the berry nudes, and it's the true inspiration of my love for my daughter. She actually loves the darker shades. The more sheer berry nudes, kind of like a bitten lip, kind of natural flush to the lips. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing that for next year. I think I'm going to be launching them February 14th, which is Valentine's Day 2021. I think that's a beautiful day, lots of love, great energy. These are the components that I'll be using. They are sleek and they have a beautiful magnetic closure, which I think is divine. I just love it so much. These are the bags that I'm working on for the holidays. They're luscious, they're beautiful, they're great size, they're comfortable to carry. They're just a must-have. I want one in every single one of my bedrooms, bathrooms, car, office, everywhere. I'm gonna use it like it's probably gonna replace my purse. That's how much I love it. And this one is great also. It's a little smaller, and I'm gonna use it when I go on vacation. So this is what I'm working on right now. A lot of great berries, berry nudes, and sheers for next year.